This is my Black & Decker battery drill. And some details. Now, before I forget, do not use these anywhere where there's gas, explosive gas, fuel, anything like that. I'll watch your ease here. I'll turn it on. You might see some sparks here. Quite often I'll see sparks. So that's forward and reverse, 2-speed, forward and reverse obviously, drill there, and it has a torque thing here to say if you don't want to strip threads on something or whatever. Yes, this indicates it is a hammer. You turn this all the way around. It does have a hammer symbol on there. I'm not too sure how effective the hammer is. So if you want reverse, well, that's forward. Push this all the way in. That's reverse. And if you push it halfway in and out, it locks the trigger. Okay, just undo the battery, show the battery. Lithium. Not a bad little hand drill. Now I don't think it's really for really heavy duty exactly, but it's really handy to have rather than a big. I do have a bigger mains power drill, but it does come with this like screwdriver bit here which clips in. Our thing here is it does, in a way, it's double ended, so you go Phillips that end, slot that end. What I've 3D printed is this, and this clips in. Make sure you got that off, so that clips on there. Yeah, it's reasonably out the way, and these magnets keep these bits in. Couple of magnets there. Slide the bits, whichever bits you're putting in, and this way you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits instead of, in a way, the 2 bits of the other. Oh yeah, it's keyless chuck, what's known as a keyless chuck, so you don't need a key in the chuck. Quite a bit to open up that. Tighten it reasonably tight. Probably want it on 1 when you're doing screws, and turn the torque down to. That is going that way around, it's just a strobing of the camera that's making it look like it's going around the other way. So that is that 3D printed part there, and that clips on and off. And this clip thing here, which is for the one that comes with it. Clip that back in. And those bits are banging out a bit. Those magnets keep them in, basically. I'll take it off and I'll show you. countersunk M3 by 3mm long balls. What I normally do is drill these out to 2.5 in the plastic. Well, it's printed, the holes are printed in the plastic, well, designed in the plastic. I did use tree supports, and then I did support blockers on these holes, because when I first printed it out it did fill in the holes. That's it. What I say is not really for heavy stuff, and it certainly does spark here sometimes, so know where there might be gaseous fuel, anything like that might be giving off gas, okay.